In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use ray tracing in Genshin Impact and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to discuss what sort of graphical settings you have related to ray tracing for Genshin Impact and whether or not it is possible to use something similar to it. So first, if you open the game, you go into the settings by selecting the option here at the left, you will be able to go into the graphics, settings, and change everything. Now, of course, while this menu is similar between PC, mobile, and PlayStation, there are going to be some differences, but for the most part, everything will remain the same. Now, what you will immediately notice is that over here at the bottom, there won't be anything directly related to ray tracing. So as of today, is that really the case? Is there some setting that we can enable inside or outside of the game to force ray tracing? Sadly, as it stands today, real ray tracing needs to be implemented into the game by the developers, and in this case, it would mean that Hoyoverse would have to go out of their way to actually get it working for Genshin Impact. While we can use filters and other third-party tools that I won't get into too much detail because they are not necessarily safe to use for Genshin, we can use those tools to make it look like ray tracing. But if you want actual ray tracing inside of Genshin Impact, unfortunately, that is going to remain impossible. Like I said, there are various settings that will give you a big quality and graphical boost, such as the shadow quality, illumination, visual effects, volumetric fog, and you will notice all of these when you use your ultimates, when you go explore, when you walk around, but actual real ray tracing is not available in Genshin Impact yet, so I had to make that disclaimer. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that besides using third-party tools that are not safe to use according to the terms of service of the game, you aren't able to use ray tracing for Genshin Impact unless an update is released in the future. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.